Charles Manson, A History Part 108. Did you know? In 2009, notorious cult leader Charles Manson was caught with a cell phone in prison, reaching out to people across California, New Jersey, Florida, and even British Columbia. Authorities couldn't confirm whether he used it for criminal activities, but still, how wild is that? But wait, there's more. Manson also recorded an album of acoustic pop songs. Yes, you heard that right, with punk legend Henry Rollins producing. Only 5 copies exist, but they've never been released. 2 are with Rollins, and the others lost to history, or maybe still with Manson.